Hello and welcome to another quick tutorial video. This is how you unsubscribe. So very straightforward, same kind of process. You got your server information, your username and your password. You just need to log in. Once you have logged in, you come back to your dashboard again. The top panel is you got my portfolio, my accounts. Okay, so click on my portfolio, just where the green arrow is, which is circled. You click on that, and in actions you click unsubscribe. Okay, so once you've selected that, that will bring you up to another box where you just need to input the lot sizes that you had set for your account. Save the changes. The volume, again, do the same process, save the changes. Subscription's been updated, and that is you unsubscribed from our copier. Very straightforward and can be done at any time. Thank you. Bye-bye.